Ha ha. Big Bird. Rachel Bird. What? What? What are you doing? Huh? Hi, Big Birdie. What you doing? Huh? Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. That's quite a whistle you got there. Yeah? You're a big birdie. Oh. Hi, Big Bird.
What's he doing?
What are you doing? Going where? Oh, Big Birdie. Hi, sweetheart.
What's he doing?
What are you doing here?
What's the matter?
Yeah? Yeah?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Are you a good girl?
Good girl. Hi, baby.
What's he doing?
What are you doing here?
What's he doing?
What are you doing here?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
What's in there? I don't know.
What's the matter? Hi,
Hi, Big Birdie.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing?
You're a goofy little bird.
What's up there?
What you got there?
What?
Hey, where are you going? What are you doing? What are you... What was that? I don't even know what that was. Oh. Ugh. Rachel Bird. Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, what? Ha ha ha. Hi, Beaky.
What's he doing?
What are you doing?
Hi, babe. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Big Bird.
Big
Ha ha. You are so goofy.
Morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Hi, Big Birdie.
Good morning.
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 It's not morning, though.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ha ha. Ha ha.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait. Are you a pretty girl?
No, but you are.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Are you? Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. You're goofy, Rachel. Big Birdie.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi, Beaker.
Hey.
Hey. What? What do you got there?
What is that?
Hi, Birdie.
What is that?
Oh my goodness. That was a big one. Arr. What are you doing? Oh, fine. I won't look at you. Don't chew on that. Don't chew on that. What are you doing? Arr. 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 What are you doing? You're ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Stop it.
Stop it. I didn't do anything to you. Where are you going?
Stop it.
No. What are you doing? Are you getting frustrated? Jeez. Don't bite me and then say ow. That's not how it works. Goofy bird. What you doing? Hi, Beaker. Ow. That hurt my ear. Will you what? Big bird? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Uh-oh.
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 Uh-oh. Hey. That's my ear. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey.
Ow.
Ow! What are you doing? Goofy bird? Huh? Do you think that's enough for the YouTubers? Huh? You think so? Rachel? Do you see yourself in there now? Do you see yourself? You did lots of talking for the YouTubers. I think that's gonna be it.